Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When we go out or when family and friends come over, it's nice to have an appetizer before the main course. It's social and calms down people's hunger. It can be a salad, a soup, bread, or other light fare. There's a tasty one that we enjoy a lot, and it can be either served as an appetizer or a main course. Here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my sweet chili chicken bites. This is always a popular one when I make them. Crispy on the outside, tender and juicy in the inside, this is a great easy recipe to have on hand. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a mixing bowl, we'll add flour, a quarter cup of cornstarch, then baking powder, some garlic powder, followed by ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll whisk until the ingredients are well blended before transferring the flour mixture to a shallow container. In another shallow container, we'll add 2 large eggs and some milk. Then we'll beat the 2 ingredients until combined. Next, we'll dredge the chicken pieces that we cut into bite size by coating them well with the flour mixture. We'll shake off any excess flour by hand or using a slaughter spoon and dip them in the egg mixture. Again, we'll toss them around until well coated. Then we'll return the chicken pieces back to the flour to dredge them a second time. This will make them crispier. When we're done coating all the pieces, we'll move on to the stove. In a skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add oil, and when the temperature reaches 375 degrees Fahrenheit, working in batches, we'll carefully add our coated chicken pieces. We'll fry them until nicely brown, about 3 to 4 minutes, flipping them a couple times. When they're done, using a spider strainer, we'll scoop the pieces and transfer them on a plate or baking sheet lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. We'll let them sit there while frying the others. After they're all fried, we'll pour my sweet chili sauce over. To get the recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. And we'll stir everything until the chicken bites are well coated. Next, we'll sprinkle on some sesame seeds and stir once again until evenly distributed. Before serving, we'll also sprinkle on some sliced green onions. And my friends, these are our sweet chili chicken bites. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. This is a great appetizer that can also become a main course by serving them with steamed rice or noodles. The added sauce gives the dish some sweetness with a little bit of heat. It's a tasty and flavorful recipe that can be enjoyed anytime. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!